All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. If you were fortunate enough to grab the Z Flip on promo, you got a good deal. You got the free memory upgrade. You got a great trade-in. Well, here is the wife's Coral setup. It came all of a sudden. The date was the end of August, and then all of a sudden, it showed up in the mail, just like that. So I'm not going to go too deep into this, but I want to show it to you here. And for the record, this video is being recorded with the Galaxy S25 Edge in 8K. So you probably won't be able to view this in 8K, but you should have more detail, at least in 4K. So this is her 512 here. You can see the box on it. The little color of the box has the thing on it. And we're just going to show it to you before I do build anticipation. No, I'm not building anticipation. This is a color that's called Coral Red. Now, a lot of people thought that this was more of a deeper red, but the size, this is magenta, folks. This is straight up magenta pink. This portion is different, obviously, than the brushed aluminum size on here, but this is a pink phone, folks. And I'm gonna show it to you next to my blue one here. Let's get it open here. All right, let's go here. Hold on. Trying to clean off my front screen here. You know how I get. But here it is next to the blue. Now, when you look at this is a beautiful color. I just don't know if I could carry this because, I don't like to wear cases. And this is just straight up pink to me. It's pink. The magnet is super strong. Look at that. Me and the wife hugged up. She can't let me go. No. This is pink, folks, I say. But there it is. I just want to do a quick video, man. This is an 8K video, so I don't want to keep it too long. But this is the Coral Red. Yeah, this is the Coral Red. And what do you think about it? This is just simply to show you the color. What do you think about Coral Red? Fellas, would you rock this? Would you use this for it, fellas? I've heard a lot of guys, when I was at the event, there was a lot of guys out there like, oh, I'm getting this. Even I was like, oh, I got to get this. But then when I saw it in person, I was like, yeah, no, that's like a peach. Okay, if not pink, if not magenta, it's not a hot magenta, but it's more of a peach. These are two different colors right here. Like this is a color and then this is a color. And that's how all of them are pretty much. It's a little offset of each color. But this is some kind of peach looking color. It's a nice color. I just don't think I could use it. I genuinely don't. I just think it's too feminine for me. I can wear tons of colors, but I don't think I could wear this color. I don't. Let me pop this case open right here. Let me see here. I'm gonna at least look at it and see what it's like. Hold tight. I gotta at least look at it. I'm trying to let her enjoy all her stuff and do her, she don't do unboxings and nothing like that, but still, it's new. It's for her. I want her to kind of get her first hands on. Yeah, this definitely it's even brighter. Yeah, this is a bright color. Bright color. Now, all the cases now, I think they were saying they were shipping them with screen protectors, but I didn't see one, and unless that's just for the other fold models, because all of the fold cases come with a tempered glass or a screen protector, not tempered glass, but this one doesn't have a screen protector in it, but I do have more. I have tempered glasses. So, but this is definitely a nice case. This is very nice. I like that you can take this out too. A nice color, nice case, a little too feminine for me, but still nice. Yeah. So only the Fold series gets the tempered glasses. So if you order a case for the Fold series, you're now getting screen protectors. And he told me that at the event. Samsung rep told me that at the event. Said, hey, now we're sending all of them with we're sending them all with screen protectors. Yeah, that's her texting me. As a matter of fact, it's crazy. Yeah, here it is, folks. This is the Coral Red And I think everyone who ordered this, ladies are loving this color, obviously, but I'm not going to hold you. I just want to show you the color next to the blue here. It is a nice color, just a little too feminine for me once I saw it officially in person, but it is nice. And I think a lot of people are going to love this. I think they are. It's your man, Jay. I see you in the next one. Take care.